welcome to EIQ English, the learning app for professionals. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be talking about SH and CH sounds. SH is an easy way in English to say something nice and soft. Sh. It's kind of like you're saying shh when you tell a kid to be quiet. Shh. CH sounds almost the same, but fast. So instead of sh, it is ch, ch, sh, ch, sh, ch. You can hear the difference in these two with a voice or no voice. So sh, ch, sh, ch, or sh, ch, sh, ch. Okay? The CH sound sounds a lot like a J sound in English. J, j. But the only difference is, instead of using your voice, j, 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 you use no voice. J, ch, j, ch, ch. So remember those SH sounds are nice and slow and soft. CH sounds fast. I always snap when I do that. Let's try a few that sound very similar. Wash, to clean. Watch, to see. Can you say both? Wash, watch, watch, wash. Almost the same, but that CH, much faster. How about shop? I like that big P. Versus chop. So we've got shop, money, money. Chop, da 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 da, when you cook. So shop, chop. Wash, watch. How about sheep? Cheap, not expensive. Sheep, cheap. Wash, watch. Shop, chop. Whew. So let's try a tongue twister with SH. Easy one. Shams the sheep washed shimmering shells. So shams being a name, the or the, sheep washed shimmering shells. Ooh, at the ocean. Shams the sheep washed shimmering shells. Try it again. Shams the sheep washed shimmering shells. It's so easy because sh, ch, 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 ch. Now let's try a more difficult one. That CH sound. CH. So can you say chop, cheap, chilled, chocolate, and watch, chimes, cheerily. Chop, cheap, chilled, chocolate, and watch, chimes, cheerily. Whew, that one is more difficult. So let's do each word. Chop, not the same as shop, money. Cheap, ooh, not expensive, not the same as sheep. Chilled, means cold. Chocolate, chocolate. We don't usually say chocolate. You can, but most people say chocolate. And watch, not the same as wash. Chimes, diddling, diddling, diddling. You can hear them. Cheerily, da-da-da-da-da, means very happy. So one more time. Chop, cheap, chilled, chocolate, and watch, chimes, cheerily. That one is difficult to say, I know. Just remember in English, when you see that SH sound, it's going to be nice and slow. When you see that CH sound, it's quick. Otherwise, it's good to go. Chop, 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 chop. Well, that's about all we've got time for today. Once again, my name is Sam, and on behalf of EIQ English, the learning app for professionals, we thank you for your time. Be sure to check us out on our website, our Instagram, our Facebook, and our LinkedIn profiles. We'll see you next time.